Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to read Excel file from SharePoint and read only one column and removing the duplicate. Right, so for that I am clicking the create and the instant workflow. I'm also giving the name read Excel from online and click on create. Adding a next step. So here I am going to select Excel online. Okay, so here lot of action is there. I am selecting the list rows present in a table. Okay, and I am selecting my SharePoint site as address, and then document library, file name, and the table name which has been created inside the file. So the table name is expense. Alright, so now we are actually set up this file for reading it. So after that, after reading the content, I am just taking only one column from the file. Right, so for that I am going to use data operation called select. The select data operation is very powerful. So in this I am giving values in the from column, and the key I just make it as a text, and from the Excel table I am selecting only description column. So in the expression I'm just typing item of question mark and within bracket and quote, single quote, I'm adding the description. Okay, and now we have successfully selected the description column from the Excel. It will be stored in select data operation. Okay, so the next step, what we are going to do, we are going to compose the selected column and removing the duplicates. For that I am selecting compose data operation, and obviously we can use union operator. So union of output from select, comma same output from select. So this is how we can remove the duplicates. Alright, save and run and test. Manual and run. Okay, click on continue, run flow. This is done. So flow ran successfully. Alright, so now you can see all the content from the Excel online. It is stored in this list row present in a table action, This has all the records in array format, and after that we are just selecting single column. So giving all the input from the Excel, and we are getting the output only the one column values. But you can see lot of duplicates in this selected value, right? So we just need to remove the duplicates. For that only we have created the next step, compose, right? So in this compose you can see all the duplicate has been removed, right? So hope this video helpful for you. Stay tuned for more powerful Power Automate stuffs. Thank you guys.